Welcome back to the Wellness Hub, your cozy space for natural health and organic living. Today, we are diving deep into one world's favorite superfoods, the mighty avocado. Get ready to discover why this creamy green fruit is a wellness game changer for your health and vitality. As nutrient bombs, rich in heart health fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They are incredibly versatile and a delicious way to fuel your body naturally. Why you should love avocados? Number one, for heart health boost. Avocados are packed with monosaturated fats that support healthy cholesterol levels and protect heart health. Number two, they actually contain more potassium than bananas. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and keeps your heart strong. Number three, they are loaded with fiber. Avocados promote gut health and aid smooth digestion. Number four, with their powerful antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, avocados support eye health and fight oxidant stress. Number five, the healthy fats and fiber in avocados help you feel full and satisfied longer, supporting healthy weight goals. And finally, thanks to their vitamin E and healthy fats, avocados nourish your skin from within for a natural glow and a healthy hair. Simple ways to enjoy avocados: you can spread on toast with a sprinkle of sea salt and chili flakes. 2. You can blend into smoothies for a creamy, nutrient-rich boost, or add to salad, wraps, or sandwiches. You can as well whip up fresh guacamole for a delicious snack, or use as a healthy substitute for butter in baking. Dealing with the avocados, freshness matters. Here are some tips for choosing and storing avocados. Number one, choose lightly soft avocados for immediate use. 2. Ripen hard avocados at room temperature, then store in fridge. Sprinkle cut avocados with lemon juice to prevent them from turning brown. From boosting your heart health to giving you that natural glow, avocados truly are one of the nature's best gifts. Start adding a little creamy wellness to your day, one bit at a time. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the Wellness Hub, and join us for more natural living tips every week. Comment below with what's your favorite way to enjoy avocados. I'd love to hear your recipes and ideas.